Hello everybody, welcome to iCamp in my kitchen. I am Priya Srinivasan. Today we are going to learn how to make Jeera pulao, a quick and easy kid-friendly lunchbox menu. Hope you made note of all the ingredients. Now let us go to the recipe. Wash and soak rice for 15 minutes. Drain and keep it aside until use. Heat oil in a heavy bottom pan. When it is hot, throw in the cardamom, clove, bay leaf and green chilli and saute it for 30 seconds. Next add jeera seeds and immediately add the drained rice to it and saute for 30 seconds. Now add 1.5 cups of water and quarter cup of milk. Milk here is purely optional. I prefer it because it gives a nice flavor to the rice. If you don't want, you can replace it with water. Add salt and mix well. When this comes to a boil, cover and cook it in a medium flame for 10 to 12 minutes. By this time, the rice should be nicely done. If you feel the rice is still wet, cook it for 2 more minutes. Your jeera pulao is now ready. Let the rice cool down a bit. Now pack this flavorsome rice with some dal and crisp for your munchkins dabba. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and comment on this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting recipes. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.